How do you make money fast on Redbubble? Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be giving you 5 actionable tips that you can implement today to start making money fast on Redbubble. But before we get into that, I just want to quickly show you the results I've had up to date with Redbubble. Well, in my Redbubble account, I'm on the sales history page, and I've had this Redbubble account for about 2 to 3 months. This is the first page of my sales history, and quickly you can see on the product section, you can see the kind of products I've been selling. I've sold mugs, socks, mags, stickers, socks, stickers, mugs, greeting cards, pillowcases, throw blankets, classic t-shirts, in short posters. There's aprons too, so it's virtually everything. So scrolling down to the bottom, I want to show you how much I've made up to date. It is $385. Not too shabby considering the fact that I've been on Redbubble for close to 2 to 3 months. And I've sold over 175 products. So this is just the first page, and there are 2 more pages, but I'm just gonna leave it at that. Now I want to show you the average royalty I've been making. I've made $2, $2, $10 royalty, $2, 3, 2, $2, $3, 47 cents, $1. So they vary. Now, the first actionable tips I'm gonna give you to make more money on Redbubble is to change your product pricing. So go to your dashboard, go to your product pricing, and I'll recommend that you use a markup of at least start low. I know Redbubble places your markup. I'm making a mistake. I think they place your markup at 25. So I brought it down. The thing is, many people don't change their markups. That means their prices will be higher. And if your design is out there and your design has a lower price than your competitor, obviously your customer will buy from you. And if you keep getting sales, consistent sales, Redbubble is gonna place your design ahead of your competitor. So start low. If your designs keep getting sales, then you increase your price gradually. So here you have the markups of all the designs in your Redbubble shop. If you discover that a particular design is selling well for you, take for example maybe the socks, you can go ahead and change the margin maybe to a 7, to a 10, a 15, just like that. And if you want to increase the margin of a particular design on a socks, not just socks in general, if you want to increase the price or your margin on a particular design on a sock, you have to go and edit that design, and on the pricing section you edit the price of that design. So if you want to find out how to do that, let me know in the comment section below. So that was the first tip. The first tip is to reduce the margins on all your products and increase it if you are getting consistent sales. Tip number 2 is to get your designs made by professionals. I'm a Vexel's lifetime subscriber. That means that I don't ever have to pay a monthly subscription fee using Vexel's design. I paid about $550 if I haven't mistaken. Let's go back to my profile and I show you. So I paid $550 for my lifetime subscription, and I never have to pay again. So get your designs made by professionals and just simply download it and upload it to all the print on demand platforms, including Redbubble. So another thing I want to talk about Vexels is that they also give design requests, And if the design you want, you can request it to be made. Now, depending on your plan, you have a number of requests per month. With my plan, I have 2 requests per month, and most of the time I don't even use it, but because they have wonderful designs, as you can see, all I need to do is just download it and upload it to all the print on demand platforms. Like I was saying, that they have design requests per month depending on your plans. And that's not all with Vexel. With Vexels, you can download book covers. That's if you're doing KDP. Once you get a license for your print on demand t-shirts, you can also download KDP book covers. So it's in the same plan. So there are several things that come with your Vexel subscription. It's not only the print on demand designs, ready to download designs. You also have PSD t-shirts where you can where you can use one design t-shirt, just download one of them and edit it into hundreds and hundreds of designs. I've made a video about using one design to create hundreds of designs. If you haven't watched that video, this is it right here. Unlimited designs with one template. So I'm not doing a review of Excels. I'm just telling you that it's one of the actionable tips you need to take in order to be successful with Redbubble. So the third tip you need to take, or the third tip you need to implement, is flying upload. All the links to the tools I'm talking about are found in the description below. So check it out to learn more. Now, talking about flying upload, you can upload your designs to all these platforms right here. I've made a review video of flying upload, several review videos. So if you haven't watched it, you can go ahead and watch it. This is it right here, either of them. This one is the longer version and this one is the summarized version. So go ahead and check out these videos if you want to learn more. So what I basically do is, once I've downloaded the designs from Vexels, I just go to editing, I load all the designs here, fill the title, description, tags, the type and color, and when I'm done filling, I upload it. But before I do that, I always do a trademark check just to be sure that my descriptions or titles is not infringing on anyone's trademark. Because once you infringe on trademarks over and over again and you get multiple strikes, definitely your accounts are going to be taken down. Tip number 4 is to hit your daily upload limit. Now, with Redbubble, if I'm not mistaken, your daily upload limit is 60, and it's very easy to achieve that with flying upload. All you need to do is get a template, just upload one design manually, arrange everything to how you want your other designs to be positioned. And once you create one template, you're going to upload it to flying upload. Go to your settings in flying upload and go to your templates. Then you're going to go to Redbubble. You're going to fill in the templates for each color. You're going to fill in the templates for black, for white, and colorful. So once you filled in the templates and you upload your designs, you're going to choose if your design is going to be black, white, or colorful, and that's how your designs. And once you push your designs to Redbubble, each of them are going to have the appropriate backgrounds for every design uploaded. So there's one tip that people usually ignore or don't know about, and it's about the message to the buyer. Now, when a customer buys from you, that customer is sent a custom message from Redbubble, which has been written by you, to that buyer after purchase. So this buyer can, or the message can encourage the customer to come back to your store later, because not everybody sends custom messages to customers after purchase. So if you send a custom message to a customer after purchase, that customer is likely to remember your store name, and when they come back to Redbubble, they are gonna definitely or possibly purchase from you a second time and over again. So here is a sample message I sent to my customers. And Redbubble says, if you love your buyers, let them know, enter a message below and we'll put it into the customer's order receipt every time you sell. Here's an example of how your customer's order will look like. So here it was empty before, or it was what Redbubble wrote, but I've edited it and mine says, thank you so much for your purchase. If you like our store, please add it to your favorites to get notified when we upload new designs. So it's a very short message, straight to the point, with an action for the customer to add our store to his or her favorites. Now, if the customer has your store in his or her favorites, it's very possible that you're going to be the first store the customer is going to purchase from the next time they get to Redbubble. So guys, those are the 5 tips that will make you increase your Redbubble sales. And if you found value from the video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section which tip was your best. Also, let me know in the comment section what tips you use to increase the sales on your Redbubble stores, if there's one I haven't included. If you'd like to learn more about selling online, that's print on demand to be specific, as well as KDP, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.